Watching and stand on the play. One play in the game I want to represent for Bad Bigs Entertainment. For the girl them. Come on, BNB, Tony on the way.
Yeah, you don't need to go to I wanna hear you say yes, I wanna hear you say yes. Representing for none other than the Bad Mix. One TV and a Bad Mix TV. I want the DEM.
Salam! Come on, shit in a plate and go on.
Alright, boy.
Tired want some road. Please and time. Every week we are going to mechanic. The man them feel car, boss and we are mash up them car. And we not mash up no car. I road and mash up a car. If you could take a sack and look, we there Freetown. Right from Freetown, on the corner there. Go straight down to 90 mile. The road mash up. If you go down a coach down there so. Right at the club there and the party and keep. I want big old swamp there so. So we need road. We are begging MP them. We are begging politicians them. We need road. I don't want that. We need it. We're tired of it now. We're tired of it. We are feeling it. We are feeling it. The car them mash up too often. The boss them are close to say we mash up the car. We need it now. We don't want we need it. So I want an urgent answer. And that we want. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Listen.
Harbour green on it. Eagle eye, Eagle eye. Uncle Eagle eye alone can't do this. Ma, Eagle eye alone do this. I want them to Babylon soldier. So I want one. We need road. That's all we have to do. Yeah, bad road condition. Very bad road condition. I need road. That's all we have.
This is one place that they are talking about, right behind man this.
If those people who represent you, if they come to you and talk to the people, talk to we make you know what I want.
Yeah, because I should come to you guys and hear cries, listen to you guys, go back to the MP,
Thank you.
and the MP go to
Thank you.
Prime Minister. I'm not communication.
We're not having that communication. That's why we're not seeing breakdown of infrastructure. You know, make the saying what the government is doing. This is a main road from one major city to another major city, separated apart from the highway. And look at the condition of this road. This road has not been maintained for the longest while. And it is not a 1 or 2 pothole, it's the entire stretch of road.
Where and where?
From Freetown, from
Old Harbour.
Right.
Right before the girl and sell sex. You can't put it up, never talk you right. See from right there, so if you want to catch 2 fish, you can walk with a fishing line. And you enter right there, so. So from there, so straight to Sandy Beach. The roadway is very bad.
Very bad. We don't need no patching. What we need is a full rehabilitation of roads. We don't need no patching. We need road. That's all we want. And government, all those who are responsible for this, all we are asking for is road. That's all we are asking for.